Morning. Well, it is morning for me. You may not be watching this when it's morning time, but how you're doing. So video I've just made is just a little snippet of what we did at the weekend. So the weekend just gone, we just did like a little training event for airsofters. So just kind of make them work better as a team. We've adapted a bit of a CQB environment teaching to the airsoft environment and just broke it down so guys can just play a little bit better and work as a team better. So yeah, it's just for fun, guys. Check it out. If you like it, please like it and subscribe. I'm just starting out, so let's see how it gets going. Cheers everyone, enjoy.
Hostage! Okay.
Hey guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, like and subscribe and comment down below.